We're inside the cabin of the Global 5000 right now. This is what the interior looks like. I'm excited to show you what it looks like in a couple of months. A full aircraft refurbishment consists of all of the items within the aircraft interior. The Falcon Technic team worked on all of the wood monuments, the cabin seating, carpet, the headliner, sidewalls, PSUs, including the curtains. When we initially got the project here at Falcon Technic, we noticed the aircraft interior was outdated, with dark brown leather, light veneer, and most of the cabin was worn out. We had many of our in-house departments collaborating to complete this project. We had our Part 21 team that designed and engineered the full package. We had our upholstery team that recovered all of the seats and the divan and built new curtains. We removed all of the worn-out leather from the sidewalls, PSU and headliner and replaced it with a new foam and a new leather, giving it a nice, brighter look. And we had the wood team that recovered all of the wood monuments with a new foil. While the interior refurbishment was in progress, the aircraft was also undergoing its 120-month inspection, where the engineers were testing out the aircraft systems, the landing gear was swinging, and even the aircraft full weight and balance. Welcome back to our Global 5000. It's been a few months. I'm happy to present our completed interior refurbishment on this Global 5000 aircraft by our Falcon Technic team. The newly refurbished Global 5000 completed here at Falcon Technic now has a modern look. We've gone with our own brand's colors for the color scheme. Using burgundies and beiges for the seats, dark wood finish on the wood, we've gone with a lighter color on the cabin walls to give it a more spacious appearance, and even a custom carpet for the fleet, including non-textile flooring in the aft and forward lavatory. Everything you see here has been done in-house. From the first stitch to the final cabin installation, this masterpiece was proudly conceptualized and executed in-house by our Falcon Technic team.